Okay, let's get a measure. Let's just trip over everything else first. It's the best thing to do. When you got a GHEENOE, you want to make sure you have as much stuff on the floor so that when it comes crunch time, you trip over it. Oh yeah, he's pretty. Yep. There we go. He is 20, he's got to be 27. But I didn't bring a freaking measurement, so who knows if this thing's accurate. He's a slab. I like to find something a little more. My cooler stops at 26. And he might be a little over, and I'm not going to chance it on this cooler because I forgot to bring something actual worth measuring. We're going to let him go and hopefully get something else a little bit smaller. Gonna revive him real quick. He fought for quite a while. There he goes.